Hey, Desi, what have you got today?
My favorite spicy tuna fish sandwich. Carrots, banana phone. And I've got milk with a good straw.
Smart. I guess you remember our first day of school.
Oops. Ah.
Here you go.
Thanks. I was so embarrassed.
I know you, right?
Might be better to pretend that you don't.
Nah. You helped me in the hall this morning. What's your name?
I'm clumsy. I'm Desi. How about you?
I'm nervous, but you can call me Hannah. This school is much bigger than my old one. It was a challenge just to find my way around here. Oh no.
Hi. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I can't find my classroom and I don't want to be late.
Don't worry. We'll find it. What grade are you in?
First grade.
Me too. Who is your teacher?
Mrs. It rhymes with soup.
Mrs. Troop?
Yeah, that's it. Why can't I remember? My mom says it's good to talk about my emotions when things like this happen. I feel a little confused.
That's okay. It's only our first day. Come on, I'll show you where your classroom is.
You want me to find everything, Des. But I remember what happened to you on the playground. Are you okay? Ooh. You're hurt. You should go to the nurse's office. Come on, I'll go with you.
It's no big deal. I've never been to the nurse's office before. I was a little scared.
You didn't act like it.
Well, it wasn't that bad, but I was glad that you were there.
We help each other when we need it, right? That's why our friendship is the best. How do you feel when you meet a new friend?